Today we will learn how to autoclave our lab consumables and all the utensils through the autoclave, and what will be the sterilization settings and what cycle and everything I will be talking about this in this video. So this is our autoclave where we sterilize our consumables, and this is from the Equitron SLEFA series, and this autoclave is like 180 degree, or not 180 liters actually, and this is the knob. You can just twist it to, it will open, and it will come with this spring, and you can open it fully. And these are the trays where you can keep your consumables or utensils of this your lab. And here you can see I'm zooming it. So this is the sensor, and it should touch the water, so then only this autoclave will work. And approximately this 15 to 20 liters of water will be needed for a jumbo kind of autoclave. And there are two trays, you can keep your utensils here, and you have to fill it with the distilled water. But if distilled water is not available, normal water will be uh, fine. But the thing is, it should be of this 6.5 to 7 point of pH and the 50 ppm. However, it is not very necessary because you will be working in the high pressure, high temperature also. So it will be completely fine. If you just want to kill the bacteria and want to sanitize it, contamination free, you want to do it, then it is completely fine. So let's move to the next step. So you have checked that water is in the autoclave machine, and that is up to the sensor. Okay, then we will go with this, we will clean it with the with the detergent and everything, and we will rinse with the fine water, and then we will put it here, and I will tell in the next step. Keep remember that you have to use prill or any kind of detergent that removes all the stains and oiliness of the utensils, and use as much as water you can do, and because that is required to clear all the detergent, and it should not keep any of inside. You can on this from here, and so it's on here, and it's locked. So if you have filled the enough water that is touching the sensor, so it will show you that no warning it will show. And if it is not there, if you have less water in the autoclave machine, it will show that the water is low. Okay, so the present value, you can see it is 22.4. That is its temperature inside. And the pressure we can start this, and also by entering it, or we can do the menu. So sterilization temperature will be one, like menu, and sterilization temperature is 121.5, and then entering it, the sterilization time is 15 minutes. And the purge set point, that means purging means it will release the steam at 99. So it will be have a cycle, it will go to the 121 degrees celsius, sorry, yeah, so 121 degrees celsius, and will come back to the 99, and it will release the pressure just like a cooker pressure. Okay, and again, just setting the menu, sterilization temperature is there, the present value is there, sterilization temperature. Okay, and then you can enter here sterilization time for the minutes per set point, and this is the all settings you only can done. And so this is my washed dishes, and I will be putting in some polythenes. So just to, it should not get out of that polythene, and it should not be airtight. I will tell you how to do it. Okay, so this is called bag, biohazard bag, or high dispo bag. It is from the high media, and it is for the autoclavable, and it is disposable bag also. So for the sterilization of labwares and disposable of contaminated materials, so you can put these small utensils inside this, and you have to leave a 2 finger space, so it should not be airtight, and so that the pressure can move inside. So all the labwares, the cap should be opened, and at least it should be like only tight 30%. That means 70% should be open, so all the pressure can go in and out. So the easy exchange of the air should be there, and you can pack it with this. I will. You can pack this bag like this and leaving the 2 fingers open, so like easy movement of exchange, like you can close this bag like this, and leaving 2 or 3 fingers open, so the easy exchange of pressure should happen. And you will have to put it inside, and just you have to on the instrument. So let's do it now. And these big vessels, you can keep it like normally. So I kept it like this, you can see. And we will close this now. So this is the safety wall. If the pressure moves more than that, whatever we have set, and anything is wrong, the safety wall will open, and it will like leave the all the pressure of inside to outside. And this is the exhaust. You have to keep it tight when you're using this instrument, and and you can open it when you need to, when the cycle is complete, and when you need to take out your dishes out of this. And firstly you have to keep it completely closed, so this can happen. And this is the um, basically vacuum beaker. And also this whenever okay, so what happens, the purging will happen from the here only. So it's already set, sterilization temperature is set, and the press start. Okay, and everything is here, the sterilization time is there, and set point is there. And this is completely automatic. It will go to the 121, and it will come back again, and this cycle will move for at least 1 hour. And so let's start it, and long press it to start. Okay, started. And after 1 hour this will be completed. So let's thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you like this. And after this cycle will complete, you can you can take it out. One thing I wanted to tell you, that never open this autoclave when the PV temperature is 98 or 95, because below that you can open. Even it is better to open it 70, because this pressure will be very high, and the steam can come out, and this will accident can happen. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you have liked this video. Please consider subscribing.